Hi guys, this is Priyanka Seekand here in Atlanta, Georgia, and today I'd like to share with you how we work with Evident to design and engineer our smile makeover cases. So the first step is that we take photos of all of our patients, and for the photography in my practice we do the 12 AACD photos, and then we use the Koi's DFA glasses and we take the retracted, repose, Duchenne, shush, and the smile photo. We also at the first visit take a scan on our iTero scanner. So once we have all of that information, we go to the Evident website, and it's quite simple. We upload all of the photography into the hub, and then we move forward with asking for the fabrication of the case presentation. Proceed, submit order, and we'll be back for part 2. Okay, so now I'm just going to message the hub and let them know that I've uploaded all the photos for the DFA and the facial analysis, and I look forward to receiving their evaluation and mock-up so we can get started on his case.
Hi, I'm Christelle, and I'm going to design Dr. Priyanka's smile makeover case.
Yeah, those look good.
They suit you pretty well.
Yeah, I think these look natural.
Hi guys, so again, my name is Priyanka Seekand from Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm grateful to work with Evident as they design the cases to my desired functional and aesthetic outcomes. Thanks Evident for designing cases the way I want.